Alright guys, it's Cass here today, and I'm going to be feeding my ball python, Gucci. She looks, I just kind of woke her up from a nap, but she's getting one large rat today, so I'm just going to be, thought I'd film it since I haven't filmed it before, if I can get it open. Alright, it is open now. It's de-thawed already. I'm gonna go get the tongs. I use these tongs because they have rubber on the end, and I don't want her, if she accidentally misses the strike, I don't want her to get hurt from having metal. So I'm just gonna dry this rat off right now, because I don't think she would enjoy eating a moistened, completely like soaked rat. And yeah, as you can tell, rats have very large teeth. If this will focus, you can see them in there. Large teeth. So that's why you never want to feed your rat or your snake live rodents, especially rats, because their teeth are very large. You can tell she's ready to eat. She knows it's time. Hey, Gucci. Oh no, dropped it on her. Oh, she's gonna strike? Until she wants to. You gonna go for it? She's usually not very picky about eating. Come on. Get it? Oh. Scared me with that one. Alright. She has it. She likes to constrict. For a while, she likes to constrict it. You can hear my bones cracking. So, yeah, she's going to just eat that for a while. Let's see if I can set this up here. I can just watch her eating. If it'll fit. I don't know if it's gonna set, so I'm gonna set it over here. I'm trying to get it to set where you can see it, but it's not gonna. So you just watch it like this. It might be shaky a little bit of. She's just strangling it right now, and I'll get back when she starts eating it. She is still strangling the rat, and yeah, she looks like she's having a fun time. And I know somebody might get on me for feeding her in a tub rather than in her enclosure, but the people we got her from, they only fed her in a tub. And since ball pythons are normally really picky eaters, we tried feeding her in her enclosure, but it stressed her out and she wouldn't eat. And she seems pretty comfortable eating in a bin rather than her tank. So yeah. Also, I've got a sore throat and a stuffy nose, so that's why I'm sniffling a little bit. But yeah, that's why she's eating in here. And we don't want her to get cage aggressive even if she did eat in her tank, because that can happen. We don't want her to think that every time we open the cage she's getting food, so that's why we feed her in here also. And she's still just strangling it. have to clean out the bin soon because there's rat liquid from the bag in it. So yeah, I've got to do that soon.